Players came out of the woodwork, no pun intended, and a few of them started in January, so it's really incredible that these players are able to accomplish and play these very challenging pieces, one of which I wrote for an advanced orchestra, which you'll hear the second piece. And so I just want to, before we play, encourage them and give them a big round of applause. This first piece is Jesu, Joy of Man's Desiring by J.S. Bach.